10-day turnaround wrap up. So, the last 10 days, you have been questioning yourself, writing down answers, posting them in the comments, which I completely am so appreciative of. This 10-day turnaround is the pivot. It's the beginning of setting yourself up for conscious evolution. This is your precursor to change. From here, you would move forward into another set of steps. So your only purpose here in the third dimension on Earth, on this global plane, is you. You create your life. And that is your job, is to create your life. You create the circumstances, the environment in which you live, the relationships you have, the jobs you take, every single the challenges you choose. Those are all your choices based on the how much you know about yourself and your level of emotional maturity. Your level of conscious awareness will determine your outside circumstances. Your life is a direct projection of your choices, your thoughts, and your acting on those thoughts. So treating your life like a business is a disembodiment practice. So it's changing this perspective of being a victim of circumstance into a CEO of power. A CEO of power that is actually managing, growing, and changing this business, investing, pulling investments out, reinvesting, balancing the sheets every day, looking for the returns on the investments, paying interest, paying dividends. These are all ways of managing this power. So when you set yourself up for conscious evolution, this conscious change requires a recognition of your power and all the infinite potential possibilities available to you, and using all your skills and all your talents in the most effective, not efficient, effective way. This has to be based on the recognition that you are generating a profitable life for you. Leave your comments below. Where will you go from here? What are you bringing from that 10 days from the cloud to the ground and making it into a reality? What are you manifesting today for tomorrow? Live deliberately. Namaste.